Some people they step on Shatta Wale's toes. Oh. All the papa gang going on a day, make una assemble here. I don't bring una better gist. My people see if una see how Nautica they grind. They grind Shatta Wale property like say him pay for them. My people no be smart, you know. See they if you see as they dance. No small space even there where you go say okay and this one are for public. Yes, in get one concert like that live one where people gather hundreds of people. I not even sure say they sure say they even reach millions. My people now for that kind of show Shatta Michi just they there they grind this guy Gundus. No be small matter for now we never even hear am. Una we still dey sleep. I don't bring the video come una. I beg make we watch the video. Oga Nautica, you know the fear face, oh, because I still say you don't get stamina. You know even they shake small. You don't go touch the untouchable. Shatta. And my people no be smart because Nautica himself confirm say wait according to Ram he say Michi no be one make the night end. And he say Michi been dey enjoy all the things wey he do to Ram. Abeg, no be me talk am. No be me, no look me like that. This kind statement don already dey tell us plenty things, you understand? Because imagine, no be just the grinding. Some people even make comments, say she enjoy am. My sister, wetin you enjoy? Wetin you enjoy wey Shatta never give you before? I no understand. I dey vex. In fact, Shatta Wale's apple of his eyes. Now this guy just go they touch anyhow. I bet put this guy picture, Nautica. Bia, come here, me and you get better talk. Bros, you don't go chop food for the gods like this, oh, but you don't know. If for better say you even chop and way nobody even there away. This or you even they grind for public, they show yourself. If I be you, I could just start the hide. You understand? Because Shatta Wale know they joke with Shatta Michi, oh. No even try. See my people, make una forget all this. They are fight. These people. If you enter their middle, you go just become third party because nobody know when they make up. But una go say they don't break up. Now see another one be true love. Una go see them they fight every day. Now lie. They get their corner where they go, they settle. They even get judge. You understand? The judge now the. You understand now? I don't need to talk some kind things. Now the matter of my people are now. I wish say as I talk to like this, I wish this guy speedy recovery. Because no, in advance, I be make we start to prepare for burial. Because the thing will go happen for this case. Don't be smart, my people. Speedy recovery, oh my brother, you understand? Because your own go soon hit you very soon. Now, why if you never click on that subscription and bell this thing, now why the thing they pay me? Because una no go know wetin Shatta Wale can't respond now. How una want they updated? You understand? Just click on that thing so that as I dey drop, because my people, in less than how many hours it go there on board, and una no go fit miss this kind of thing. You understand? Because I did show say as it be like this. Shatta Wale don't, in fact, he don't almost explode where in the, but we go hear the matter. So I know we make una go far. You understand? Drop the comment there. Anything where you think say fit don't happen or fit no happen. Anything where you think say supposed happen. Which advice you get? Wait till you get. Just drop out for that comment section. And me and you get this talk. And don't go far. Click on that subscription button one last time. I don't want to now so that you don't go miss anything. You understand? Share this video. Make it go viral. People suppose know wait till they share it for this house. Don't go far. I will see you later. My people, I don't bring another interesting begin from one of our slay queens. All the slayers for the house. This one a big brother Niger mate. I did see many of una know. Yes, she been there for Big Brother house. In name na Nenji. This girl don't come. In fact, she they come outside. They give us pose. They then get the pose. They show us all the surgical and fake artificial work where they do for a nyash. My people, this girl before she been they deny all this thing. She dey deny am, but she herself no even know when she come expose am. Say she do. Now she don't come outside. She say she dey show her fans how God don't bless am. Why una dey lie with God name? And people abeg, for una we no know. Una we no know the girl. Una we no even know about Big Brother. Una we no even see the video. Una we no even know say she do surgery. I bring the video for una. Abeg, let's watch the video. Why una dey kill una sef? No, why una won't die before? No, all these things, they dey necessary. Nigeria by force now they try to westernize. Una just want turn western, like by fire, by thunder. Una no even want know how. But they hope say as una dey westernize, una go ready to face all these consequences. Imagine, person wey God create, go do im own thing. See, una need to learn how to love una self. You understand? The problem we are getting with Africa be say una won't be like white people at any cost. At any cost, una no even care. It don't even concern una as long as say people go say una fine. No. But what you no know be say white people they even won't be like us. Now the irony of life be that the people who now they fight to be like people who now won't kill themselves for they even they admire us. See white people they admire black una no know. See, love yourself. You don't understand how you won't take respect your body, how you want the confidence of yourself when you dey see, because like this she dey lack confidence. If truly you know they lack confidence of yourself, you suppose dey grateful and you suppose flaunt your natural self. Now that one will show people say this girl. You understand? The people where even they pity. Now our next generation. Our next generation will suffer this thing because this girl, she dey influence plenty teenage girls. If you see people where won't die for this girl matter, nothing is a joke. People dey where they ready to die. And now this kind of person they go call. The thing where they pay me, this same Nenji. And I just say many of now no even remember. You get one time when she they call Lucy, una know Lucy. She they call Lucy Amoeba. They insult the girl. And that period there, all of us been thinking say, this girl body is natural. Meanwhile, she don't go do fake things. So as she call the girl, my sister, see, person when they call Amoeba, I even prefer in body as it is natural like that. I prefer in body than the fake thing where you don't go do. You get mouth, open that your big mouth, basket mouth, they call person Amoeba. You, wait. Now when that thing warm start to come out for your nyash, you go call us to help you. Now here we go there. Relax, you understand? Things like this, now Africans they call achievements. Like this now for her mind that she don't arrive. My sister, better things there than surgery. You understand? Better things than surgery. And men, una they disgust me. Are they very, very serious? That's when they see, I know they smile. How wait till they enjoy? Imagine man where they follow this kind of person. Now plastic, una just they press. You say you get woman, you they press plastic when soft meats they very available. See, my people, men especially, see, learn how to appreciate your women. You understand? Appreciate your women, even if she's slim. Appreciate them because she did natural. All those things they not go last forever. And girls, wait till no be say guys, when they do all those fine surgery, when they get what they want from you, they will go. Because they don't say that thing goes to expire. You understand? Now what you not supposed to get from our mind be that. Men, make una learn. Make una stop all those things because you dey intimidate people when no go do surgery. And now because of una guess now won't go rob bank. All in the name of I must look nice for my man. I pity all of una. All of una. Relax. I been a year as I sit down here. Now there I go consider again, bring una matter again. Now wait till I don't know. My people not do matter be this, so our big brother Naija star girl. She don't go do now as soon as see she don't flaunt her finish. She won't make una see her. Abeg, as una don see am, which message una get for am? No forget, drop am for the comment section, you understand? She go hear from me. Trust me now. And don't forget, subscribe. Click on that notification bell. If not, you go to miss things. So share this video because you need reach Nanji. I mean Nanji. Your name. Yes, it need reach you because you need hear my voice. You understand? And if you like, no repent. Yes, my people, now their propose show be this. And now one-on-one TV things they share. I go see you now later.